Hello friends, and welcome back for part 2 of my Eastwood 2K spray paint project. In this video I am putting the 2K Hi-Temp Chevy Orange on my Blueprint 383. I have to say the 2K goes on really thick and has a great shine to it. When I finish spraying, I'll share my thoughts with you. So stick around and thanks for watching. Okay, so I've used one can to paint the lower half of the engine block and the water pump. Just about sufficient. Came up a little bit shy. Not too much of a problem. Really, it's just places like some nooks and crannies where the paint didn't get in there quite evenly or equally. In retrospect, I'd probably paint those first next time. The other thing is, I got heavy while I was laying down up under here and I had some runs. If I have that again, I will let it dry. I will sand the runs down as best I can. And then if I have more paint, touch it up and then go over it again, or go over it with a light coat and then some of that clear gloss, which I have. At this point, the paint is pretty darn shiny. I don't know that I need to put a clear coat on it to protect it. I may do that. Again, I've got some places where paint did not get real well, up into some crevices, and I suspect I'm going to have to open up my other can of paint for that. I really hate to do it because that's going to use a lot of paint for just a little bit of stuff, but maybe what I have to do. So far, so good. I think it's a good looking paint job. I won't know until I take my tape off and see how good of a tape job I did thus far. You can see it's a little light on the back of the water pump, a couple of places, but all in all, I'm satisfied with it. So, good morning.